Greetings and welcome. We have a Raoult's Law problem here. So we've got this bottle of 70% isopropyl alcohol, and we've got the molar masses of things, formulas, and some pressures. And we're asked for the total pressure of the bottle. Now remember that in a 70% solution of isopropyl alcohol, this means that 70% could be equal to 70 grams of your isopropyl alcohol and 30 grams of water, okay? Because 70 divided by 100 total grams is going to be your 70%, okay? So 70 grams and 30 grams is how I get the total 100. So it's just nice whole round numbers for easy comparison. So what we want to do here is first calculate the molar masses. The molar mass is obtained by adding up the total number of carbons and hydrogens and oxygens using your periodic table. I'll just write these down. This guy here is 60.1 grams per mole, and water is 18.015 grams per mole. So the first thing we want to do is convert grams to moles. And we do that by dividing by the molar mass. Okay, and so on my calculator here, I get 1.16 moles of isopropyl alcohol. Sometimes in the doctor's office and medical fields they abbreviate isopropyl alcohol as IPA, so I'll just do that. Water, we want to convert this as well by dividing by the molar mass. So 30 divided by I should put a number down here. 18.015 grams. Okay, so 30 divided by 18.015 on my calculator. Oops, that's wrong. 30 divided by 18.015. That's better. 1.67 moles, and we'll just call this water. Now, step 3, we want to calculate the total moles. So we just add these two numbers up together. Okay. And I'm feeling a bit tired today. I'm just going to do this on my calculator so I don't make a mistake. Okay, so that's the total moles. And now what you want to do is calculate the mole fraction of both liquids. You see, we have two liquids in here that have two different vapor pressures. So we have water vapor and isopropyl alcohol vapor, which both have partial pressures. So the mole fraction of water is the moles of water divided by the total moles in this homogeneous solution. On my calculator, I get 0.59, and there's no units there. For the isopropyl alcohol, this is going to be the moles of isopropyl alcohol divided by the total moles. On my calculator, I get 0.41. So, step 6, we want to calculate the pressure of isopropyl alcohol, and that's equal to the partial pressure. I'll just put it next to this. It's equal to the mole fraction, which we decided was 0.59 .41 times the, I'll highlight this here on the top, it's times the pressure of the pure solvent at whatever temperature we're cited with, okay? So it's 75 millimeters of mercury, and that's going to be equal to 75 times 0.41, okay? So that's 30.75. I'll just round it off to 1 decimal place there. Okay, now this is not the only liquid. There's 2 liquids here. There's water, so we want to calculate the pressure of water. Now, we want to do the same kind of thing. Now, this word problem doesn't give us the pressure of the pure water at 34 degrees Celsius. You have to consult a steam table. When I consult my steam table, I find out that it's 39.9 millimeters of mercury, okay? So that's going to be equal to the mole fraction of water, that's this number, 0.59, times 39.9 millimeters of mercury. And so if I do that on my calculator, I get 23.5. All right, so what we have here, I'm not sure if I can highlight my own notes, but I have 2 different partial pressures, and we want to use Dalton's law of pressures to find the total pressure, right? The total pressure is equal to, the pressure of the 2 components. So we just add these up. Takes longer to write down than to conceptualize, but I like to be complete here and write everything with units. And we'll grab our calculator and get the final answer. So 30.8 plus 23.5 gives me a total pressure of 54.3. And this is a great engineering problem. You oftentimes wonder, did engineers calculate how hot the truck would get as they're shipping isopropyl alcohol bottles through, Virginia in the summertime? Well, they should have, and they should have pressure tested these bottles at much higher temperature and verified that the bottles would be safe. In this video, I've highlighted how to calculate the total pressure of a mixture of liquids in a solution using Raoult's law. I hope you liked this video. Please like, give a thumbs up, please consider subscribing. Thanks and have a great day.